Hi ma'am, Capex Beauty da amuhana welcome to Zari. Ngasigi video se aigi channel sida yam toina request tawbirakpa pores ki matangda address tawwa video ne. Aduga ngasigi aigi main product se Innisfree gi moigi Jeju pore clay mask ki set to adudune. Ahanbada ai pores ki matangda wa amani tang hana haijage. Pores haibase open tawba yaba pot natte kaigino haidi mase muscle gi saru yawba natte. Aduna pores se open tawba yadabanina, the best thing we can do is to keep our pores clean. Aduga pores ki size se visibly kitang reduce tawba yaba ingredient ama ani su laye, but aduna next ki atopa video amda I address tawjarake. Sigi set se aina laizagibida 1,100 rupees ta laigibane Nykaa dagi. Sigi kit sida product ahum yaurae, ahanbagi oina clay mask ama yaurae, aduga toner ama, aduga magi applicator spatula ama yaurae. Ahanbagi oina sigi toner se personally aidi yam kana pamba oide kaino haidi sigi toner sigi manungda micro granules kar yawe. Aduna pimple gi issue laiba aingondadi I am not a very big fan because agi skin da sina hena irritate tawbagi type ta tawe, so I don't like to use it. Aduga another maram aina sigi product se kana palm da bigi sma se seasonaba numit 8 to 10 days later matungda agi nose area size da kitang breakout later, so I've stopped using this product. Sigi product se magi consistency se ising dawna tawe, aduga ma se season adringai da I think we need to shake it a little because my granules makada sediment torga bottle sigi makada pamdagi bane. Sigi toner se ai opinion dadi sensitive of skin aduga akhoi pimple gi issue laibadadi I recommend tawjaroi. Overall sigi product se I didn't actually enjoy, but sigi product se atum chanaba mi su laibane. Ai hayo hai taragadi if you can get a sample size that might be better because adu oi taragadi you'll know if it suits your skin, so you can invest your money in it. Next ai product se moida yarakpa magi clay mask tune. This product I actually like it. Sigi product se I think it's a very good clay mask. Aduga mana magi packaging da iba sebum control tawe habase I agree, but how I like to use this is agi pores ki issue labor area like agi nose aduga kitang cheek side wide I apply it only there. So pura full face da apply to bugi clay mask se kashu darkar laite, just oil production hen na labor area do aduda apply tarogadi I think that will be more effective. Sigi clay mask se sigi one of the best things is sise seasonaraga akhoi na thadoka khanda akhoi gi pore se sidagi dirt mayam do adu strip tawbagi type da adumaina ubane visible, aduga it has that feeling also, that very clean and squeaky feeling, which is actually very nice. But how I like to use it is this is a seasonaraga kanda, since I don't like the toner it comes with, I use a very mild toner. Currently I've been really liking this Tony Moly ki the green tea gi watery skin se is very mild. Overall this product is a very nice product, but then again I'm not very sure I this sensitive skin da chanagadra chanaroidabra haise I'm not very sure because ngasai gi magi toner gi type da sisu micro yam pikpa ga granules kari yawe, so until unless you scrub it that will not be a problem, but scrub tawbadi I will not recommend it because masunga saigi irritate tawba yawagi kano tawe, so gently wash on tawbada aduna hena phagani na khale. Another India da famous oiba pores ki product se sigi Etude House ki Wonder Pores ne. Sigi product se I want the sample size ani le because I stopped using this. Sidala iba cleanser zedi, it's quite nice because again it cleans your skin, so akhoi gi oil production tawdo adudo sisina hena clean tawba hen bane. But mangonda la iba magi Wonder Pore gi sigi toner se sidi I really don't like it. Sometimes ingredients ki lista yawo maming myam se ahanba ani shuba adamain ibudo, some people say that it's not the highest concentration, but sigi toner sidi magi manam sidi pura full on alcohol ne, so I really don't like this. Aduga ma se taibilora kana skin se yam drying oye, so maybe yam na hena oily skin, extremely oily skin da di khara chanagadra, but I personally I this is a recommend di sungtaw tawjaroi. Ai wakal da di chemical exfoliant oina seasonable se sisna hena nungai hena khale. You can use AHA, BHA or PHA. But moisu nungtigi sinabagi kaishu darkar leite, maximum 3 times a week is more than enough. Aina hajik enjoy taujabase sigi Pixi gi glow tonic se, I really like it. Another one is sigi Dothan gi AHA toner sine. Sigi toner animak se glycolic acid yawa ngaktane, aduga mabani gi glycolic acid content se it's the same, it's at 5%. Personally, I did sigi Pixi gi glow tonic se, I really like it. I use it 2 times in a week. I use it on Mondays and Thursdays. Aduga masi nungdang da seasonay. AHA haiba component sina kaidoge har kanda akhoigi skin gi upper layer da laiba dirt oiro ama oiro adumyam do clear out tawbune. So I think AHA yawa products in the long run it will be much helpful rather than putting strong alcohol or putting granules on our face. Kasigi main oina review tawjariba Innisfree gi kit sigi manungdagi repurchase taw haitardi magi clay mask se probably I'll buy it again. Aduga siloiraba matungda mild oiba toner aduga chanaba moisturizer ama siznabio so that pura akoigi natural oils mayam do strip tawdanaba. Aduga I think clay mask siznaba se maximum 2 times in a month is more than enough. Yam toina hena seasonarasu ishagi apaba natural oils mayam do adudo mangkinabane. Ngasigidi sida loisanjarage. I hope this video was useful for you. Atopa video suggestion lebirasu amta haibira o makagi comment section da natraga aigi Instagram Kpax Beauty da DM tawbira o. Thank you. Bye.